Most AI side hustle content covers the same 5 ideas: content writing, prompt selling, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelance services. All of those work. I have covered most of them on this channel. But today I am sharing something different. A specific side hustle that almost nobody in the AI content space is talking about, despite the fact that it has strong consistent demand, low competition, and a realistic path to $500 per month within 60 days. The hustle is AI-powered meeting notes and business documentation services. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why nobody talks about this? The reason this hustle flies under the radar is simple. It is not glamorous. Meeting notes, action item summaries, process documentation, standard operating procedures, business reports. Nobody makes exciting content about meeting notes. But businesses need them constantly. And most business owners, managers, and team leads genuinely dislike producing them, because manually writing up a meeting, extracting action items, and formatting everything into a clean professional document takes time they do not want to spend. AI changes this completely. What takes a human 45 minutes to produce manually takes AI less than 5 minutes. And the quality of AI-produced business documentation, when briefed correctly, is genuinely professional. The gap between what businesses need and what they want to do themselves is your opportunity. Who needs this service? The ideal clients for this service are small business owners, consultants, coaches, and managers at small to medium companies who hold regular meetings, team meetings, client calls, strategy sessions, project reviews, and need clean professional documentation from those meetings. They are not looking for a full-time assistant. They are looking for a reliable service that delivers a clean meeting summary, a formatted action item list, and any supporting documentation within a few hours of each meeting ending. This is a recurring need. The same client needs this service every week. That makes it a retainer opportunity rather than a one-off project. One client paying $150 per month for weekly meeting documentation. 4 clients is $600 per month. All from a service that takes approximately 1 hour per client per week to deliver. Here is exactly how the service works. The client records their meeting using any recording tool. Most video conferencing platforms have built-in recording. After the meeting, they send you the recording or a rough transcript. You run the recording through a transcription tool to generate a text transcript. Then you take the transcript into Claude and ask it to produce a clean professional meeting summary, a formatted action item list with owners and deadlines, and any relevant follow-up documentation the meeting requires. Claude produces all of this in under 5 minutes. You review for accuracy, format the final document professionally, and deliver it to the client within 2 to 3 hours of receiving the recording. The entire process takes approximately 45 minutes per meeting. For a client with 1 meeting per week, that is 45 minutes of work generating $150 per month. For 4 clients each with 1 weekly meeting, 3 hours per week generating $600 per month. Your first clients for this service are almost certainly already in your personal and professional network. Think about every business owner, consultant, manager, or team lead you know personally. These people hold meetings every week. They produce documentation from those meetings, or more likely they do not produce it as thoroughly as they should because it takes too long. Reach out directly with a specific offer. Ask Claude to write a short personalized outreach message for each prospect. The message should acknowledge that they likely hold regular meetings, identify the specific pain, the time and effort of documenting everything properly, and offer a concrete solution with a clear price. Offer a free trial. Do 1 meeting summary for free with no obligation. The quality of a Claude-produced meeting summary is genuinely impressive compared to what most people produce manually. The free trial converts prospects into paying clients better than any sales message. Once you have 2 or 3 clients, ask each one for a referral to one other business owner who holds regular meetings. This service spreads naturally through professional networks because the pain it solves is universal. Expanding the service over time. Once your base documentation service is running, there are 3 natural expansions that increase income without proportional additional work. Process documentation. Many small businesses have processes that exist only in the founder's head. Ask Claude to help you convert informal descriptions of how a business does things into clean written standard operating procedures. These sell as one-off projects at $100 to $300 each. Weekly business reports. Some clients want a weekly summary of their business activities, decisions, and priorities formatted into a clean one-page report. Claude produces these in minutes from brief notes you gather from the client. An additional $50 per month per client for minimal additional work. Onboarding documentation. When businesses hire new team members, they need documentation packages, role descriptions, process guides, key contacts, first week plans. Claude produces these in under an hour. Charge $200 to $500 per onboarding package. Each expansion adds income to existing client relationships. No new client acquisition required. Your action plan starting today: identify 5 people in your network who hold regular business meetings. Ask Claude to write personalized outreach messages for each one today. Offer a free trial meeting summary. Deliver something genuinely impressive. Convert at least one into a paying client this week. 4 clients at $150 per month is $600. Achievable within 60 days following this system. What type of business in your network do you think needs this service most? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a genuinely fresh side hustle idea, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.